Today we'll talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your CallApp. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go here, go above your photo profile, click on it here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do now, just go above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to take you to next here. It's going to show for you like this. Then you click here on notifications here, just click on it. So then you come to next here. It's going to show for you like this. Come here to show one-time password notifications. Just click in this sign here. Like you see this color show for us, that's means show one-time password notifications enable with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking.